I have a couple of problems with the car. As you can see, I have the check engine light and collision prevention assist plus problem. I will be scanning with the Autel scanner right there, and we're gonna look at the codes, and we'll bring it into service to Mercedes and see what we can do. Let's check for the codes now. This is the Autel scanner. Here is the Bluetooth adapter. We're gonna plug it in the car. We're gonna read the car here. Okay, it has the engine or the car VIN. We'll hit OK. As you can see, after the scan, I have two fault codes. One of them is for the sunroof because it needs programming. And then the other one is for engine control unit. And let's see what that is. So we have two codes. The first one there, P052E71. That is a valve crankcase ventilation. The actuator is blocked, meaning it's not working properly. It does have a circuit plug that connects to it, and I quoted the part. It's about $1,300 or $1,400, but I went to the actual dealership and the part is about $100 with core return. I was gonna buy the part, but the part sales representative said that the part has extended manufacturer warranty up to 130,000 miles on your vehicle, or till 2030. I will be bringing in the car to Mercedes, and they will be replacing it. Okay, we're driving to the dealership. Okay, we arrived for service for the check engine and for programming the radar sensor. Okay, I just picked up the vehicle and they have fixed the issue for free, and they also programmed the collision prevention assist. I did have to pay for that because that was they needed to do programming and it cost $280. But then I don't have a check engine light and I don't have that message every time I start the car about the collision prevention assist. So now the car is straight, or now the car is good, no more faults.